The year is 2300. Earth is a bustling hub of interstellar activity. We've come a long way. We've settled on Mars and ventured to the moons of Jupiter and Saturn. We've even met other intelligent beings from distant star systems. But a huge problem remained. Space is incredibly vast. Traveling between stars takes a very long time. Even with our advanced technology, it can take decades or even centuries to reach some destinations. This limitation has always hampered our dreams of truly exploring the galaxy. We have built powerful fusion engines. We've even learned to manipulate gravity to a degree. But the speed of light, the ultimate speed limit in the universe, remained an insurmountable barrier, or so we thought. Scientists and dreamers yearned for a way to break free from this cosmic speed trap, to unlock a future where the stars themselves were within our grasp. Little did we know, the answer was about to be revealed on a distant, icy moon. Dr. Eleanor Ramirez gazed out of her lab window. The methane lakes of Titan shimmered under the dim light of distant Saturn. Dr. Ramirez was a renowned physicist, renowned for her groundbreaking work in quantum mechanics. She had dedicated her life to unraveling the mysteries of the universe. Her current obsession was quantum entanglement, a strange phenomenon where two particles become linked. They share the same fate, no matter how far apart they are. One late night, while poring over data from her experiments, Dr. Ramirez had a sudden realization. The data seemed to suggest that entanglement wasn't just a bizarre quirk of the quantum world. It could be harnessed. It could be amplified. It could be used to create a bridge, a tunnel, a shortcut through the vast distances of space. The implications were staggering. Instantaneous travel between stars, no longer a fantasy, but a tantalizing possibility. This was her eureka moment. The universe had whispered its secrets to her, and she was ready to listen. Dr. Ramirez's discovery sent ripples of excitement throughout the scientific community. It was met with skepticism at first, as any revolutionary idea is, but the math was undeniable. The potential was too great to ignore. Resources poured in from across Earth and its colonies. The best minds in physics and engineering came together with a shared goal: to turn Dr. Ramirez's vision into reality. This was the birth of entanglement propagation technology, or EPT. The heart of EPT was the quantum resonance chamber. Inside this chamber, pairs of particles were entangled. Then one particle from each pair was carefully separated and sent to different locations. These particles acted like beacons, connected by an invisible thread of quantum energy. By manipulating the state of one particle, you could instantly influence its entangled partner, no matter how far apart they were. Imagine throwing a stone into a pond and seeing the ripples appear instantly on another pond light years away. That, in essence, was EPT. Section 4. Building the Galactic Highway Resonance Stations and Quantum Gates. Developing EPT was only the first step. To truly unlock interstellar travel, we needed to create a network. This network would consist of resonance relay stations strategically positioned throughout the solar system and beyond. Each station would house a quantum gate, a giant version of Dr. Ramirez's quantum resonance chamber. These gates would act as cosmic bridges, allowing instantaneous travel between any 2 points in the network. The first test of the EPT network was a momentous occasion. The world watched with bated breath as a small probe was sent through a quantum gate on Earth's moon. Its destination, a receiving station orbiting Proxima Centauri b, our closest stellar neighbor, 4 light-years away. The trip, which would have taken conventional spacecraft decades, was instantaneous. The probe reappeared in the Proxima Centauri system at the exact moment it vanished from the moon. The impossible had been achieved. Humanity had taken its first step on the galactic highway. Section 5. A network of wonders exploring, connecting and governing a galaxy. With the success of the first EPT network, humanity entered a new era of exploration and discovery. Resonance relay stations popped up throughout the solar system, linking planets, moons and asteroid belts. Then we ventured further, establishing quantum gates in other star systems. The once insurmountable gulf between stars had been bridged. Travel times that once took generations were now instantaneous. This had a profound impact on every aspect of human civilization. Scientists could now conduct research on other planets and moons in real time. Historians and archaeologists could visit distant worlds and uncover the secrets of alien civilizations. Ordinary people could experience the wonders of the galaxy firsthand, visiting distant stars and planets as easily as we travel to different countries today. A new era of cultural exchange dawned as civilizations from across the galaxy were brought into closer contact through the EPT network. We established a galactic council to govern this vast network, to ensure that this incredible technology was used for the betterment of all. Section 6, New Frontiers, New Conflicts, the growing pains of a galactic civilization. The EPT network opened up a universe of opportunities, but it also presented new challenges. The vast distances that once separated civilizations had also kept our conflicts contained. Now, with instantaneous travel a reality, tensions that had been simmering for centuries threatened to boil over. Disputes over resources, territory, and cultural differences became more frequent and more dangerous. The Galactic Council, still in its infancy, struggled to maintain order. Then there were the ethical dilemmas. Was it right to colonize planets that might harbor microbial life, even if it meant finding a new home for our ever-growing population? How much should we interfere with the development of less advanced civilizations we encountered? The discovery of EPT had pushed us onto the galactic stage, but we were still grappling with the responsibilities that came with such a profound technological leap. We were, after all, still human, prone to the same flaws and short-sightedness that had plagued us for millennia. The question was, could we rise to the occasion? Section 7. Towards the infinite quantum resonance and the expansion of human understanding. The discovery of quantum resonance and the development of EPT marked a turning point in human history. We had unlocked a secret of the universe, a secret that had the potential to reshape our destiny. As we ventured further into the cosmos, we carried with us not just our technology, but also our hopes, our dreams, and our capacity for both great good and terrible destruction. The future was uncertain, but it was a future filled with possibilities. EPT was more than just a means of travel. It was a testament to the power of human curiosity, our endless drive to explore, to understand, and to connect. It was a reminder that the universe is full of wonders, waiting to be discovered by those brave enough to seek them out. As we stand on the threshold of a new age of exploration, we must remember the lessons of the past, even as we embrace the possibilities of the future. The journey ahead will be challenging, but it will be a journey worth taking, a journey that will lead us ever closer to the infinite.